Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study about operations on set. So we have four types of operations in set. Number one is union set, which we can represent by U. Intersection set, which we can represent by N. Difference, which we can represent by dash or we can say minus sign. And number four is complement. We represent it by apostrophe or we can say a comma. So union of set is a set containing all the elements of A and B is called the union set of a set A and set B, which means कि यूनियन सेट वो होता है जिसमें हम दोनों सेट्स यानी ए और बी के सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स को बना के एक नया सेट बना लेते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं ए यूनियन बी. फॉर एग्जांपल, here we need to find A union B. Here we have a set A which contain elements 1, 2, 3 and 5, and set B contain elements 0, 3 and 5. So now we have to put all the elements from set A and set B in set of A union B. Here is a set, ये set है A union B का, जिसमें हमने वो सारे नंबर्स लिखे हैं जो सेट A में भी आते हैं और B में भी. 0 we have 0 in set B, 1 we have set in set A, 2 we have in set A, 3 we have it in set A and B both. So we have to write it once. हमें इसको दोबारा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ये एक ही दफ़ा इसको हम लिख लेंगे. ये दो दफ़ा आ रहा है यानी कि सेट ए में भी आ रहा है, बी में भी आ रहा है, तो हम इसको सिर्फ एक दफ़ा लिख लेंगे. देन वी हैव 5 which is in set A and 6 which is in set B. So we have the set A union B which contain all the elements of set A and B without repeating any number. Now number 2, intersection, which we denote by N. So first of all we need to understand that we write intersection like this. We can't write intersection like this because this is the incorrect way to write N. This is the wrong. We need to write N like this. If we make N like this to represent intersection, this is the incorrect way to represent it. So this is wrong and this is correct. Intersection is a set containing the common elements of A and B is called the intersection set of set A and set B. इंटरसेक्शन सेट वो होता है जो दो सेट्स यानी सेट ए और बी के वो एलिमेंट्स लेके बना हो जो दोनों सेट्स में कॉमन है. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी हैव विच कंटेन एलिमेंट्स 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सेट बी कंटेन एलिमेंट्स 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if we find the intersection of set A and B, the answer will be 3 and 4 because we can see we have only two common numbers which are 3 and 4 in both sets. So the answer will be 3 and 4 for intersection. Number 3, different set. The different set of any two sets A and B is the set of the element of a set A which are not in set B, which means के difference कहते हैं, जैसे हमें पता है all we know that difference means minus. So if we are finding difference of A and B, here we have set A which contain element 0, 1, 2, 3 and set B which are containing elements 2 and 3. So we just need to subtract set A from set B, which means कि जो common elements हैं like 2 दोनों सेट में आ रहे हैं तो they will minus, and 3 दोनों में आ रहे हैं तो ये दोनों भी आपस में माइनस हो जाएंगे. सो जो लेफ़्ट रह जाएंगे नंबर्स हमारे पास सेट में वो हमारे पास डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. सो हियर वी हैव set A difference B is equal to 0, 1 because 2 and 3 are common and they subtracted by each other, so we have left 0 and 1. Complement of a set, which we can represent by apostrophe or a comma up on any alphabet. So to find a complement of a set, we should have a set U. Set U is a universal set, and a set A to find a complement of set A. So here we have an equation, a formula or a rule to solve complement, which is U minus A or U difference A. So to find A complement, we need to subtract set U by set A. So we have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in set U, which we subtracted by set A, which we have element 2, 4, 5. Now we just need to subtract U from A as we have done previously in difference of set. So we subtract 2 because we have 2 in both sets. We subtract 4 because we have 4 in both set, and 5. So we'll have 1 and 3 left. So the answer for A complement will be 1, 3. The set of A complement is 1, 3. Now let's solve some examples. So here we have a universal set which contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and set A which contain elements 2, 4, 6, and set B which contain elements 3, 5, 7, 8, and we need to find A union B for the following sets. So here is the solution. A union B. So first we write set A, which is 2, 4, 6, then symbol of union U, because we are finding union for these two sets, and then set B 3, 5, 7, 8. So union set are those which contain all the elements of both set. So the answer will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because it contain all the elements of set A and B. So it is the answer of set A union B. Now we need to find A intersection B for the same sets, universal set A and set B, and we need to find A intersection B. Here's the solution. I write set A, then symbol of intersection, and then set B because we are finding sections, so we need to write n between both sets. So set A is 2, 4, 6 and set B is 3, 5, 7, 8. And to find intersection, we write the common numbers for both sets, and we can see that we don't have any common number in set A and set B. There is not any common number. So the answer will be empty set or a null set because we don't have any element in it. Now for the same following sets, we need to find difference of set A, difference B, or we can also write difference by A oblique or hash B. So here is the solution. I write set A which contain elements 2, 4, 6, then symbol or sign which represent difference, then set B which contain elements 3, 5, 7 and 8. So we can see that there is not any common number or which we can subtract it. So the set A will be the answer of A difference B because we subtract A from B, so there is not any element which can subtracted by A, so the A set will be the answer and not write empty set for this solution, because in difference we write first set if we don't have any difference between both sets. जब भी हमारे पास कोई दो ऐसे सेट्स होते हैं जिसके बीच में कोई सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं हो रही, कोई नंबर हम कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, तो उस सेट में जो फर्स्ट सेट होता है, यानी जहाँ पे हमारे पास फर्स्ट सेट ए है और हमने यहाँ फर्स्ट सेट के एलिमेंट्स लिखे हैं, तो वो एज इट इज़ जो है वो आंसर बन जाता है, क्योंकि इस सेट ए में से हमारे पास कोई नंबर नहीं है सेट बी में माइनस करने के लिए, तो सेट ए विल बी द आंसर फॉर ए डिफरेंस बी. Now we are going to find a b complement for the following same set which we are taking previously. So for the complement we required universal set. जैसे कि मैंने पहले आपको बताया कि जब भी हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालेंगे उसके लिए हमारे पास यूनिवर्सल सेट होना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सल सेट को ही हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं दूसरे सेट से जो भी हमें रिक्वायर्ड होता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए. तो इधर हमारे पास बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट था, इसलिए हम यूनिवर्सल सेट को बी सेट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो आई राइट सेट ए हियर which contain elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then minus sign or difference sign, then set b 3 5 7 8, and the answer will be after subtracting is 1 2 4 6, because 3 is common or same in both sets, so they will cancel out, and 5 is same, and 7 and 8. So we have 2 1 2 and 6 and 4 left here, so it will be the b complement. It is the set of b complement. Now it's time for student task. So I have given you a universal set A and set B for the following questions. You need to write the answers sets for using these sets. Okay, the question number is 1 is A union B. So using these sets you can find A union B, then A intersection B, then B difference A, number 4 is A complement, number 5 is B complement. So you have 5 questions over here and you have 20 minutes to solve these 5 questions in your notebook, and your time starts now. Time is over now. I hope you all have done. Now let's check the answer for number 1, A union B. So the answer for A union B is 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10, because we write A union B, all the elements containing A and B is A union B. So A union B सेट में वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आ गए हैं जो सेट ए में भी हैं और बी में भी हैं, और जो नंबर्स रिपीट हो रहे थे उसको हमने एक ही दफ़ा लिखा है. We don't repeat numbers in A union B. Okay, now question number 2 was A intersection B. So the answer of A intersection B is 7 5 and 7, because in intersection we write only common numbers of both sets. So 5 and 7, as we can see, 5 and 7 are common in both sets, so the answer of this question is 5 and 7. Now question number 3 was B difference A. So I write set B, then difference sign, and then set A, and I subtract both sets. So the common number will cancel each other, 5 7, and as we can see there is not any other number which we can subtract, so the number left in first set will be the answer. As we done in previous example, we take only first set, so 4 6 and 10 will be the answer of B, difference A, because we take only first set elements for the answer. Now check question number 4, which was A complement. So we required universal set for complement. I write first universal set, then difference sign, and then separate the following universal set by A. So the common number will cancel out 3, 5, 7, 8. So we have left 1, 2, 4, 6, 9 and 10. It will be the answer for A complement. Now check the answer for question number 5, which was B complement. So as we need universal set in question 4. Now check the answer for question number 5, which was B complement, and for the complement we required universal set, then subtracted by B. So I write the universal set, then subtracted by B. So the answer for B complement is 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, because the common numbers will cancel out. So as we can see, 4 is common, 5, 6, 7 and 10. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9, as you can see here. So here is your home task. Here we have 4 sets: universal set, set A, B and C, and you need to solve these 6 questions using these sets. Number 1 is A union B. Using set A and B, you need to find union for set A and B, intersection for set B and C. Using C and B set, C sub difference B. Using set B and C, you can find difference for C and B. B sub difference A, you can find difference using set A and B. A difference C, using set A and C, you can find the difference, and A complement. So you have to do all these questions in your notebook and send it to me. I hope you'll enjoy and understand this video. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.